In this video, we will guide you through answering question 10 of the PIP2 form. The PIP2 form is a paper form that is sent to you from the DWP. For more information on how to get this form, contact Dash on 020-884-88319. Question 10 of the form is about how easy it is for you to read and understand what you are reading. In this section, discuss whether you can read and understand signs, symbols, and words in your native language. Braille is not included in this section. Question 10a asks you whether your condition affects your ability to read and understand what you are reading. If you ticked no, move on to question 11. If you have ticked yes, continue with question 10. Question 10b asks you to go into more detail about the ways your condition affects your ability to read. This includes any aids or help you may use from an appliance or person. For example, things like magnifiers, or someone reading signs, symbols, or words to you, someone explaining the meaning of words, signs, and symbols. If you need help and assistance but don't currently receive it, please still include it on the form. When answering this question, think about what you experience when you read. Underneath the question, there are bullet points that help you to answer this question. Use this to your advantage to ensure that you include as much detail as you can, as the more detail you include, the better understanding the DWP will have of how your condition or disability affects your daily life. If you downplay or exaggerate your condition, it could have a negative impact on your application. If you need any further assistance with the completion of this form, please contact Dash on 020-884-88319, or alternatively, email them at info@dash.org.uk.